Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add a task into a Dubsado project? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a task into a Dubsado project anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe managing a lot of different projects, it's good practice to add various tasks so that way you and your team can stay on track and everybody's on the same page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Dubsado account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a task into a project, here on the left side, you're going to click on projects. Once you click there, you're going to see all the different projects you're working on. So go ahead and choose the project that you would like to add a task into. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so once you click into the project, you're going to see this menu here at the top and you want to click on tasks. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the tasks for that project. But to add a new one, you're going to click here, add task. Okay, so here is where we can go ahead and add a task. I'm not sure why it says add Toto there. It's kind of strange. But first off, what we're going to do is go ahead and add in the body. So this is basically where you're going to add the instructions for the task. So if this is for a Chinese restaurant, let's go ahead and make a task to deliver soy sauce. Deliver soy sauce carton 20 bottles. Okay, and let's go ahead and put a due date. So today is the 21st. Let's say they need to have that delivered by the 25th, which is coming up this Friday before their weekend rush. Here we're going to go ahead and choose the project. So we're already working in that correct project. You can assign this task to someone. I'm going to assign it to myself, and then you're going to click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now this task has been added to this particular project. So whether myself, if I forget it, or if I need to come in here and check the task, it's going to be clear in center. It's kind of like a to-do list. Or if I have coworkers that are working in this particular project, they can click in here to the tasks and see what needs to be done. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new task into a project in your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.